How can I embed social media sharing icons in my messages? In the previous tutorial, we covered the different types of drop-ins and how to most effectively use them. System drop-ins are automatically generated by LISTSERV Maestro and enable you to insert links for your subscribers to forward your message to their friends or to share it on their social media platforms. Let's take a closer look at how to configure the social media sharing drop-in. On the content definition screen, you will notice that there is a system drop-in named Social Media that you can use. This drop-in will be automatically replaced at the time of delivery with a group of icons that allow your subscribers to share your content with their contacts through their social media channels. These sharing links are unique for each subscriber, which allows you to track how many times your messages were shared and on which platforms. You can even keep track of how many new subscribers you attracted based on these shares to get an accurate picture of the true reach of your campaigns. To configure the social media sharing drop-in, open the main menu and click on Social Media Settings under Utility. Here, you will see a list of various social media platforms. Use the configure links next to each platform to decide which ones to include in the drop-in. You can either use the default social media icons or upload custom ones if you prefer them in a different size or style. Once you are finished, the Change Order link allows you to decide the order in which the icons are displayed in your messages. The next time you use the social media drop-in, it will be replaced with the social media channels and icons that you selected. These sharing options allow you to extend the reach of your newsletters and email marketing campaigns to a wider audience. After you have delivered your message, click on Mail Jobs and locate your message under the Completed Jobs section. You will notice the Share Link option on the right side of the menu bar. As a sender, you can use the same social media sharing system to post your newsletters and marketing messages on your organization's own social media channels. Simply click on one of the sharing icons and log in to your organization's official social media channel to post your message there. These types of viral marketing efforts will help grow your list of subscribers and generate additional exposure beyond your immediate subscriber base. Thank you for watching.